The next set of pages we are going to be adding will be for post collections. Let us take a look at this on the finished project. So for post collections, we also have a small table as well as a form to create a post collection. So these are similar to what we have on the roles pages. So we are going to copy from roles again. Okay, so as usual, I will collapse everything, and in our admin folder, I'm going to create another folder called collections, and inside this collection we'll have a create.html file as well as an index.html file. We'll begin with the create.html file, and since we are copying from roles, I'm going to expand the roles folder, open create.html under roles, and copy all the code in this file, and then paste it inside create.html for the collections folder that we just created. Okay, let us look at the finished project and see what a collections form looks like. So it has title and description. Okay, first of all, we'll change the title of the title tag from create role to create collection. Let me just add our post collection to be more elaborate. The header remains the same, the sidebar remains the same. The form title is going to be create post collection. And then for the input elements, instead of calling this name, we are going to call it, let me see, our title. So the collection's title. Okay, and the description remains description, so no changes here. And that will be all for the create.html. I am so confident I don't want to even open it on the browser. But let's just do that and see. We created a new folder called collections. So inside this we have create.html, and it says create post collection, and it has title and description, which seems like what we wanted. Okay, now let us move on to the manage collections page. So again, I'm going to open index.html inside the rules directory, and then I'll copy all the files inside it. And then now I go to index.html inside the collections folder that we just created, and I will paste the code we just copied. Then I scroll to the top and start modifying. The title tag is going to read manage collections. Let me just say manage post collections, just to be clear. The header, and the sidebar remain the same. The title of the table is going to be post collections, and then this add role button is going to read add collection. And then if you take a look at finished project, we have a paragraph of text here that reads something like tip, that gives the user a kind of tip. And note that the button reads add post collection, not just add collection. So let us fix that. And then we are going to add a paragraph here. So that paragraph is going to begin with an emoji, a star emoji. And then the text is going to read tip, drag and drop to order items. Only the first 4 will feature on the home page. Okay, so we paste that statement here. And then for the columns on our table, we have this numbering, and then the collection title and number of posts. We have this serial numbering, collection title, and then number of posts. So this last column is not required, I will take it out. Okay, this number 1 is correct for this column. The collection title, let's say best of 2022. And let's look at the finished project. We have delete, edit, as well as the post link. So yeah, this should be delete, and then edit, and then let us add our divider, and then after the divider we'll have the posts link. Okay, so that is first column for this, second column for the title, and then the last column for the number of posts. So this 5 will represent the column for number of posts. So this permissions one will be taken out. I'll delete the other 2 rows. And then if you want more rows, we can just duplicate this one, and it will represent the second row, best of 2021, and we'll leave it at this. Number of posts, let's leave it at 15. And now we can refresh this on our browser and see how it looks. Let's go to collections /index.html, and it looks like what we have on our finished project. Okay, so that's it for the post collection pages.